Welcome to Lesson World, and here is the Iberostar Kantaoui Bay Hotel in Tunisia. In this video, you shall get to see the facilities of the hotel, including the accommodation, and you shall get to know the activities you can do at this hotel when you visit it. Do hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Enjoy the video. This holiday that I took was an EasyJet package, and it was all-inclusive, and that meant the travel was included, the hotel accommodation and food was included. And I arrived at night, and this is the night that I arrived, and that's the bus that took me from the airport. I loved the yellow and the blue of the decor, and this toilet had the most powerful flush ever. I wonder how many liters of water are in a flush. The bathroom came with a hair dryer, and over the bathtub was a very powerful shower, which was absolutely good. And they provided soap as well. So into the bedroom now. I loved the color scheme, and I loved the big bed. And if you look on the walls, they had wonderful pictures, drawings, Arabic-like decor, and I absolutely loved that. The rooms also came with air conditioning, so that was really handy because Tunisia is quite hot. So this was the room that I had, and I'm grateful that I got to experience this. I'm sure you will enjoy this. This was the view from my window, from the balcony, and I was facing the hotel entrance. The rooms came with a widescreen television and ample storage space, which was excellent. So this was the dinner on the first night. Well, I served different kinds of foods on one plate. It was buffet style, and is it buffet or buffet style? And because we arrived after the restaurant had closed at night, I think this was around 10:30, 11, the restaurant was empty, but I was happy that they kept food for us, which was really good. The hotel also has a spa, which was and is a wonderful bonus for those who really want to relax on their holidays. entertainment I didn't want to attend, but a friend convinced me and I was so glad I enjoyed it. Take a look at this. And there was more. And because this is Tunisia, there was belly dancing. And one final dance for good measure. I want my family to see. I want to tell them in Zimbabwe, good food, good time. Thank you, thank you. Awesome. Oh, thank you. All right. Thank you. But 1 minute. Chi-chi.
What you say? Okay.
Okay, I want to buy it. Yeah.
You like it?
Are you new to this channel and you have watched up to this point? Please give this video a thumbs up and do well to subscribe so that you don't miss any more travel content from this channel. hotel, and outside the hotel you'll find these yellow taxis that will take you to areas such as Sousse, and just make sure you get a good deal from the drivers. And thank you for watching. Do watch the videos in the upcoming cards. This is Lesson World, where we travel the world together.